Okay, so this is by request, as you can see. And I might have already done one on the Seventh Amendment, but let's do it again, and this is going to be more informative, I hope, and shorter, I hope. So basically, there's a judge in my town that had never heard of this rule as well, where anything over $20 in any civil dispute, you get a jury trial for. And the judge, Jason Ashford, the head county judge for Houston County in Georgia, was like, I've never heard of that. And the guy was like, you've never heard of the Seventh Amendment? So it's a very important amendment. So I recommend grabbing yourself a copy of this book. This is the second time I'm trying to record this and upload it. I've already got a video in my drafts, but we're going to do this one again. So grab this. You can tell it's pretty used. I'm going to open to the Seventh Amendment, and I'll let you guys read it along with me. So it says, in suits at common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of a trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of common law. So that means a lot of things. One, it means you don't need to prove anything. So this lawyer that is on this main post here, the one that this comment's coming off of, she's like, no, you have to prove things before you can get a trial. I'm like, no, you just say things. And that's actually, especially for pro se, when you accuse someone of something, that's valid enough until they prove otherwise. And that's actually law. But Seventh Amendment proves it. I say you harm me for more than $20. Rule 12b-6, which came about 150 years later approximately, says you need to state a claim properly or you don't get that jury. But this says no fact shall be tried in any court of law other than the jury. And the judges are like, oh no, we'll take that back. So it's very important because any dispute over $20 you get. However, let's say that dispute has gone longer than 2 years and like you've reached the statute of limitations. Nope. Seventh Amendment says it must be preserved. Doesn't give you a statute of limitations, doesn't give you a timeline. So if you've been wrong for $20 50 years ago and you haven't gotten your jury trial for it, guess what? The Constitution says you still have a right to remedy. And no fact tried in any court in any part of the United States can take that away from the jury.